Hello, this is my setup. I know it's pretty damn weird, but this is my first video and I have no idea what I'm doing. Is this okay? Hi, I'm using the back camera, so I can't really see myself unless I look in the mirror. But today I'm gonna be doing my makeup, and I know I look like complete but let me just try and fix that. But I need to keep my hair out the way, so I'm gonna do it up and try to look as decent as possible. I look bald. But anyways, so I'm eating right now. I don't know, I think I like this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with moisturizer. I use this one. The Sensatia Cleopatra's Rose Facial C Serum. I have quite a lot of like breakouts right now, but I don't really care because this is a makeup video. So you're gonna see what I look like before as well. I'm gonna use this. It's the Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 120. Okay. I will be answering some Q&As, I think, after this, because I've just posted that thing on my story, like Q&A thing, so I'm waiting for the questions to come. Some people use a brush and some people use a beauty blender, but for me, like, I hate the way that the brush leaves like the strokes on your face, so I don't know how people do it with the brush. Okay, see, my storage has already run out. I just had to clear stuff on my phone so I could finish this video. So let's try to do it fast. Okay, so I use this and this for different parts of my face. I use this because it's lighter, so I'm gonna put this one here and here. This one is also more full coverage, so I'm gonna put it on like some spots. And then I blend out the other spots first, and then I go in with the under eyes. After that, I'm gonna use like the darker one. It's finished. And I've just put it in like the spots that I want to conceal, like redness or something. I forgot my nose. I'm gonna use the lighter one again because the other one doesn't work so well with like reds, like big. The other one doesn't work so well to hide pimples. I break out a lot. Alright, after that I'm just gonna put some powder under my eyes and stuff so that it doesn't crease. Guys, I am no beauty guru, okay? I'm just doing this for fun. Like, no one even asked. No one asked, but I'm gonna do it anyways. I don't know what to talk about. I really don't. Right, now we got the base sorted. Actually, you know what? I might just do the Q&A at the end of the video, like as a separate video, because I think I'm gonna have a hard time answering questions while I do my makeup. But I don't even know if I'm gonna post this. I think I'll just see at the end because I just looked back at footage. Terrible, but we'll just see. We'll see at the end. This table is a mess. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I had an eyebrow pencil, but I ran out. I'm just gonna use an eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use the Morphe. I like to keep the plastic. This palette is called Ready Set Gold. So I'm gonna take... See, it's easy. I just like use like a angle brush and then I just follow the outline of like the top. And then I just fill it in. I don't do the bottom. I don't know why. I feel like if I do the bottom it gets really messy and I can't be to carve out my eyebrows with concealer. My eyebrows are a lot darker than my hair. I messed up a little bit there, but I'm just gonna clean it up in a second. I use this little brush. I'm not gonna take the light concealer, I'm gonna take this one. Why does this one look okay, but this one doesn't? Okay, you know, I don't really care too much because I'm not even going anywhere. This is just... I don't know what I'm doing. I'm in lockdown right now. It's not really lockdown, like... I don't know what's going on. Now I'm gonna take this one. It's the Benefit Give Me Brow Gel. I feel like that doesn't look too bad. Okay, yeah, you know what? I don't really care. I don't care. I don't use this much makeup every day. This is just like what I use if I'm going to a casting or something. Because normally I don't really use foundation every day. I just use it like when I have a photo shoot or something. I'm gonna do my eyes now. This color is kind of like a natural pinkish, I don't know. Don't ask me, I ain't a beauty girl. I put more than I was hoping to put. Okay, you know, I think that will do. If I go any further, I'm just gonna overdo it. I'll fix it in a sec. I'm just gonna take the angled brush again. I think the same color that I did my eyebrows with. And then I'm just gonna like do a little natural wing. It's so bad, but I'll blend it out. Yeah, I need to fix this. I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna blend it. Trust the process, guys. I tried to blend it out more, but it's not working. So I'm just gonna like... I'm just gonna blend that out. Should we just do some eyeliner? I'm gonna do eyeliner so that I can mess this up even more. I'm using the Maybelline Line Tattoo. I feel like that looks okay. I'm just gonna do the other side. They're definitely not twins. And I like this one more, so I had to fix it. But you know, I'm just gonna go with it. Next, I'm gonna get this brush and just go under my eyes. Now I'm just gonna contour. I don't really contour, I just like bronze. I use this. I've had it for so long, it's really crusty right now. And I just take like an angled brush. You know what? I don't know if this is meant to be because I just did blush, highlight. I set my face with setting spray and I finished my contour and then I looked back and it wasn't filming because my storage ran out again. It's not meant to be, guys. I'm not meant to be a YouTuber. See, this is why. I'm not meant to, like, you know, make YouTube videos and stuff. I don't have storage. I don't have a camera. This is really frustrating. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do my lashes. Oh, and my lips. Forgot about that one. Where's my eyelash curler? Oh, it's right here. You know the videos of people using this thing and then ripping out all their eyelashes? Scary. So I just did my eyelashes. Oh. I'm not gonna do my lower lashes, but I'm gonna do my lips now. I'm using, oh wait, by the way, I used the Outrageous Oversized Lashes by Sephora. I'm gonna line my lips now. I love lip liner so much. This one is the Glide and Glam Gel Lip Liner Gel Crayon by Absolute New York. The shade Terracotta Nude. And then for the guys, for the lip like balm, like the tint one, it's a lip smacker. It's in the flavor Skittles. Don't judge me, okay? Yeah, this is what I do. Maybe everyone does their makeup differently. Do I want these earrings? Yeah, I do. My earrings are from With Love and Sugar, and for the necklace I'm gonna use, it's also from Love and Sugar. But yeah, that is basically what I do. But so this is the final look. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.